Hey you guys, Jordan the Speeder here, and today I just got a problem with my Xbox, of course. So here it is. It's a Xbox 360 Slim that I've got. I already had this for a year now, and it's making that weird buzzing noise. Ready? Here it comes. So I turn it on, and then while this thing is working, this comes on, and it's making that weird noise. So I want you guys to help me with this problem by going to my email, johnfile10@yahoo.co.uk. If you send me an email to me and to know how to fix this problem, that would be pretty much appreciated, and I cannot do it without you, everyone. Okay? That's it for me. Jordan Speeder out.